happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
More blessings!
Yes.
Yeah, that's why your husband bring you here.
I'm okay with it.
I met also another Filipina like that.
Yeah.
So his wife is.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pwede, makapasok. God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. Is vlogger.
Wish mo na lang ga. Wish mo na.
My wish.
Yes!
Do I blow the cake or?
Thank you, ha.
Yay! She's always beautiful, ma'am.
Wait lang. Parang, there's someone who taught me about slicing the cake myself and taking a bite, so I wanted to do it.
Yeah, go. Yes.
So,
Yan ba? May fork siguro kailangan.
this cake, I have to make a wish in my mind.
Okay. Yes.